In this video, I'll go over how you can become a Lyft driver. So if you want to start driving for Lyft, but you're not exactly sure what the requirements are and what the step-by-step process is, then this is the perfect video for you. So what you want to do first is just download the Lyft app or go to lyft.com, and from there first go to click on apply to drive. Now in the meantime, you can see the requirements. It depends on which city you are in, so just enter your city right here on lyft.com/driver-application-requirements, and then in certain cities you will need to be at least 25 years old, while in others you only need to be at least 21 years old. And of course you will need to have a driver's license, and they will also do a background check. You will need to have insurance and other documents, and you will need to have your own car or a rental. So if that's all in order, then from here you can then enter your mobile phone number and click submit. They will then send a code to your phone number, so just go and verify that. Now something else to keep in mind is your vehicle eligibility. So the model year requirements vary by city, but typically it's 2009 or newer, but some do allow older. Then you will need to have a 5-door car with 5 to 8 seats, including the drivers. No commercial branding or taxi paint jobs, and you need to pass a Lyft vehicle inspection, and that can be done at a local shop or a Lyft hub, but they will help you do this when you go through the onboarding. So then you will need to get your car ready. So if you're using your own car, just ensure it meets Lyft's standards. Then in some states you will need to get a vehicle inspection, and just go through Lyft's onboarding. So they have some safety training videos, then you can set up direct deposits for your earnings, but all of that will be taken care of once you just go through these steps here. So just enter your phone number and go through the onboarding, and now you know the requirements and how you can apply to become a Lyft driver. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.